Hello class, so this is our assignment on celebrity golf scores. In this assignment I will teach you how to calculate averages, max, min. Graphing will be on a separate video, and I'll also teach you how to put things in alphabetical order. Okay, so assuming you follow the first step, your table will look like this. Remember, you cannot copy and paste, you have to type in all the data. This is a PDF file. So assuming you type in all the data, this is what it's going to look like. So actually, before we start calculating everything, let's teach you how to put in headers. And when we put in these headings, like the assignment, how did I put this on two separate rows, but it's still in one row, which is row 2? So how do I put them on top of each other? So this is how I'll show you to do it. So you type in the word round 1, and it's tab, round 2, space tab, round space 3 tab, and total. So how did I get it? Well, first of all, you're going to have to widen the row. So I like to widen it a bit. I'm going to highlight the 3. Oh, sorry, the 4. The 4. And I'm going to put it on top. So I'm going to center it vertically. I'm going to wrap it. And then when I click on the first heading, between the word round and 1, I'm just going to press space. And then between the word round and 2, I'm going to press space. And I'm going to press space again, and that will take me to 2 different rows. And I'm going to widen my row 2 again, and it's not centered, so what I have to do is highlight them again and just press center horizontally, and that's how you get them on top of each other. So now let's calculate the total, step 2. So here's your total. You can actually do the old way, which was this cell plus this cell plus this cell, and that works. Oops, sorry, that works. Or you can also do the sum key. I like the sum key, it's faster. Here's my sum, and it says the sum of these 3. That's perfect. Enter, that's the answer. Because I'm calculating the sum for each row, you could do what I had taught you before. You click on your cursor. So you click on the cell, move your cursor to that little green square, scroll all the way down to where you want your calculations to be, and it will show up. Next is your average. You're going to go to your sum key, but this time you're going to click on average. Here's your average key. Click on it, and it says the average of B3 to B12. No, B13. No, you want B3 to B12. Hit enter. That's perfect. That's your average of round 1. Let's find the maximum number. Though you can see it visually, I want you to get used to using the calculation key. So here I want the max. I don't want these 2 rows. I want these cells. So I click on it. And then my minimum, I'm going to go here again and go min. But I don't want these ones. I'm going to hold my mouse left-hand key, scroll down, and that's what I want the minimum number to be from. And there it is. And again, I can go right across because the average is for every single round. So I can go right across. I can do this again for every round, and I can do that again for the minimum. Now I'm going to teach you how to put these in alpha order. So if you look at that, we've done every single thing except number 6. How do you put this in alpha order? So let's see, I'm going to highlight my rows first, and then I'm going to go right across and make sure, check, that Mel Gibson had a total of 228. So you want to check that you're doing it correctly. So when I say A to Z, I'm going to go from alphabetical order. Let's see if Mel Gibson has 228. He does, and automatically it goes in alpha order. And the corresponding numbers have switched with the name. And that's how you do this assignment from 1 to 6. You can watch my next video on how to graph.